What's up, guys? It's Movie Hoarder here. I'm back for another True Blood unboxing video, but for this one it's season 5. But I do not have season 6 or 7, but I'll pick those up eventually and do unboxing videos for those. But I haven't uploaded the video unboxing for season 4. So, but I'll do that. I'll save that for a day when I'm not gonna film, or when I don't have time to film, or my brother doesn't have time. But yeah. But shit.
True Blood.
Yeah, True Blood. That's it. Yeah, so this will be the unboxing for season 5. But I did upload my unboxing for Halloween, John Carpenter's Halloween, the FY exclusive steelbook. So if you haven't checked that one out, please do. But my previous True Blood unboxing, the 2 and 3, it was at 106 views, but now it's at 40. So yeah, I don't know what happened there. Because when I uploaded that one, once I uploaded, I got to 70. Then it started moving up, but now it lowered to 40. So I don't know what the fuck's going on with that. But it's pissing me off, man. I had 106 views. But well. Well, this video is about season 5. So here it is. There's the Hatsuki. Star of the front cover. And it's a nice white and red. Like that one bit. There's the spine. And then the other spine. And then here's the back. Got the 3 main characters, I believe. But yeah, but I will check these out soon. But first I have to get season 6 and 7 to complete my True Blood collection, so I can watch all of them one after the other. Oh, there we go. This is how to get off, I tell ya. Oh, and then here's the special features. As you can see there, has some commentaries and all that cool stuff. I like this. I like to watch featurettes. Ew. This has some wrinkles, but oh well. Huh. That didn't have any sticky stuff. I like that. Like that one bit. Put that there. And then this is a Blu-ray DVD digital copy combo pack. And then here's like a blood, called like a vial of blood. Okay. And I like all the white. It's very nice.
Looks clean.
Looks mighty fine. Looks clean.
Sounds like Ace Ventura.
Oh yeah. Ace Ventura. Jim Carrey. Very funny actor. But he's only done one thriller film.
23.
Yeah, number 23. Stupid piece of shit. Well, here's the DVD and digital copy. Then here's the discs list and episode list. Yeah, I believe. Yeah. And this one's kind of bent. But then here's the digital copy. I know it's not gonna work, but I show them anyways. And then yeah, here's the DVD discs. Okay. Awesome sauce. Sit that right there. I'm guessing we get some new characters. So here's, so if I open like that, there's I believe two new vampire characters added to season 5. All right, and then here's one of the vampires that's been in all seasons, and I think this one's new.
The artwork inside looks pretty sick.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Let me just say all the artwork and all 5 seasons box sets are sick. They're awesome. So let's see if they do the same for season 6 and 7. So here's the episode guide. 1, 2. Excuse me. Yeah. And here we got the bonus features, Blu-ray bonus features. And now these discs this time are white. I like that. Like that a lot. Really do. Because with all the other seasons, the discs have been black, which I'm totally fine with. Gotta admit, but I like that. They probably did the white discs since the box set is all white. But yeah, and it has some background artwork, but it has no characters, so it's not worth showing. But yeah, that's season 6. No, 5. Sorry. I don't know why I said 6. There's also some cookbooks of True Blood. I didn't know that. Pretty legit to quit.
Some blood recipes or something?
Yeah. Some like blood drinks, bloody food. Not really, but yeah.
Some medium rare steaks? No, more like rare.
Yeah, rare. Now we'll eat steaks rare. Just letting you know, because I'm like a vampire. That's what my parents tell me. And I like that. So yeah, that was... Oops. Yeah, so that was my unboxing of True Blood, the complete 5th season. Blu-ray combo pack, Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital copy. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you. And also, if you haven't checked out my other True Blood videos, please do so. And in the comment section below, let me know what's your favorite vampire TV show. Thank you.